So I'm making chess in Rust and Bevy, and I've come to the problem that I couldn't really find a good tutorial on how to get the mouse position or the cursor position, which I obviously need so I know which piece or which tile I clicked. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can easily do that. So for the users you just need to use Bevy prelude and everything. The other stuff you don't need. And then let's make a function for it. So let's do mouse position tutorial. And now what do we need? So the first thing we need is a window. So we query for the reference to the window. So reference of window. And we need the same for the camera. A query, but we need two things. We need a reference to the camera and we need a reference to the global transform of the camera. I forgot the commas, there we go. And yeah, that's it for what we need. This assumes that you only have one camera. So you can also put a component on the camera called like main camera and then do like with main camera, but most games only have one camera, so it doesn't really matter. So now we need to get the camera and the camera transform. So we do camera dot single and unwrap, and now we do basically the same for the window. Query of the window single and unwrap. And now we will get the world position. So we do some world position is window dot cursor position, and then we'll do, it's a bit weird syntax. So cursor, and then we do camera dot viewport to world. So we pass in the camera transform, which we got here, and not the viewport position, but the cursor, and then we do dot OK. And it's a bit big, but I think, oh no, okay. And then after that, you do dot map. Now we again put ray, and then we do ray dot origin dot truncate, and that is it. Now you can just open and close brackets, and if you now save, yeah, it will auto format, so it looks a bit nicer. So now you can see it a bit better. So if let some world position, we need this. We will do window dot cursor position, and then the cursor. We do camera dot viewport to world, camera transform, the cursor, okay, and then dot map ray origin truncate. So now what we do is now we have the world position, so we can just print line world. No, we do screen position, and then we can just do wait, screen position, and I think we can just do this. And now just pass in the world position. And now if we do, oh wait, we need to First put this in update, so put this here, add systems, update, and put it in here. There you go. And now if you do cargo run, it should print the position. 1 second, there we go. So now as you can see, it will print the position. And if you want to only check if you clicked, like I do, you can just pass in buttons, which is a resource. Button input and mouse button. You need 2 here, and it will also format it better. So buttons, this one. So now you basically just put an if statement. If buttons just pressed, just press mouse button left, and now you put everything inside there. Let and auto format does it. So if we now run this again, it should only get the position if we left click. Yep, there we go. And if for you, if you click in the middle and it says 0, 0, and if you go like to the bottom and to the left, it's minus. That is probably because the camera's like in the middle, it's 0, 0. So basically what I did is I moved the camera by half of my resolution. So my resolution is 900 by 900 pixels. So I moved the camera by 450 and 450 pixels. So then 0, 0 is at the bottom left.